You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly and clarify the pronunciation in English. A small pigmented spot on the skin. If you want to learn more medical terms, stay tuned. Generally, lentigo is the English pronunciation, although it can also be pronounced as lentigo. Lentigo is the arthropod, it's a sea snail as well. I believe lentigo is how to pronounce the condition or the spot on the skin, and lentigo is the gastropod. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.